soul ghetto street with the heat, gotta eat, get the ransom. Pull up in a space H phantom, let's be the anthem. I can blow any show, any flow, let me know. I can pull any hole, here we go, yeah me do. Sound boy, Barrio, so serious. Fucking with the pro, get the dough, low profile. Compared to me, you got no style. 911 is the number you dial. Emergency, quite urgently. And it's hotter than a burn in the 3rd degree. They couldn't get it right, they try to murder me. I wild out, man, the world heard of me. And non-believers wanna turn the cheek. Until I sell 2 million my first week. Break that down. Can nothing get in my way, I can't be stopped. They put up roadblocks, I'ma break that down. Money we need, bills to chill. So any obstacles, I'ma break that down. And I ain't entertaining you clowns, cause I'm king of my town, I'ma break this down. I'ma break this down. How do you tell a kid on the corner to go to college when he making 1,000 a minute and his shoes polished? Street scholarship, dollars flip, rules abolished. Another breath, another funeral, paying homage. Hood to hood, we all got the same product. Get caught up in the slum we were brought up, and every city got a Nino Brown in it. My pants is you with a few pounds in it. Spit fully automatic with a few rounds in it. And aim for the sky, high as hell. I gotta keep track of my clientele. And a young lion out buy and sell. We got addicts looking for hits, the knees on the rug, asking for credit. They feeding them drugs. If it's not in your system, you're feeling depressed, thinking that it's gone, but it's me in the flesh. I make something out of nothing. I step in the club and get it jumping. Them guns thumping, your heart pumping. And I bring action to the function. I make something out of nothing. I step in the club and get it jumping. Them guns thumping, your heart pumping. And I bring action to the function. Playing to the pipe, now you being caressed. Them neglected kids in CPS. Them get a real job, what? That's BS. I'd rather get more than settle for less. For better or worse, they marry the tough. I operate like a doctor, you more like a nurse. First come, first serve, there is no mercy. I roll a blunt and make it taste like Hershey's. It's all commercial, controversies. You need a fix, he sold his cold turkey. I'm coming to America like Eddie Murphy. An angry man, he's starving and thirsty. They do the curtsy, expect me to work free. Nah, there's no degree from Harvard. It's universal sound, look what you started. Break this down. Can nothing get in my way, I can't be stopped. They put up roadblocks, I'ma break that down. Money we need, bills to chill. So any obstacles, I'ma break that down. And I ain't entertaining you clowns, cause I'm king of my town, I'ma break this down. I'ma break this down. Before I go to battle, rob a bank, roll through in the army tank, and I break shit down like it's a party burning dank. Getting so much love, you would think my name was Frank. Breaking shit down, and I make sure that I'm treated like my shit don't stank, cause you know I always break shit down. One of the illest lyrical gorillas, still it's underrated. And you can ask the girl, I'm a favorite. Nah, I'm not underground, I'm under surveillance. I'm being watched right now by Secret Service agents. And I don't play foul, if I do call it flagrant, cause you know I'm gonna break this down. Like James Brown, world renowned, give up the goods now. I put a hole in one like Tiger Woods now. The toppers can't stop us, pop us up, lock us up, we break things down. Can nothing get in my way, I can't be stopped. They put up roadblocks, I'ma break that down. Money we need, bills to chill. So any obstacles, I'ma break that down. And I ain't entertaining you clowns, cause I'm king of my town, I'ma break this down. I'ma break this down. I make something out of nothing. I step in the club and get it jumping. Them guns thumping, your heart pumping. And I bring action to the function. I make something out of nothing. I step in the club and get it jumping. Them guns thumping, your heart pumping. And I bring action to the function.
niggas gon' roll, yeah. And all these niggas want smoke. All my niggas gon' roll, yeah. And all these niggas want fat bitch still gon' crush it. They gon' make me pop my trunk. Hit them with the tag team girls in the backseat rolling up skunks. Yeah, all my niggas gon' roll, yeah. And all these niggas want smoke. All my niggas gon' roll, yeah. And all these niggas want. Feel like the shit when I walk on the line. Bitch, I'm the shit, not a 10 out of 9. Walking this bitch with your chick on my side. Shoulder to flick of the wrist, now she mine. She left all the juices in a two-seat. Champagne shower bumpin' juicy, huh? I was writing letters in that loose sleep, hustlers on the corner selling Lucy's. You ain't bout that action, nigga, you don't want smoke. Niggas hit the cap and run up on them and they choke. If you step into the homie, they gon' put you in the flow.